Officer, do you know what happened today?
Road rage is all I can say. When there's been damage to a vehicle.
Okay.
You don't know where to sell a brand new vase there.
Say that again?
£50 worth.
What's that? Oh,
Brand new
vase.
vase out of Next.
Okay, how did you get that? How much
Contactless card, innit?
How much you want? How much you want for that?
What, to you?
Yeah, to me.
Tenner.
I think we're gonna today. We're outside. This is West Croydon. A man has just come out here and he's just tried to. Sorry.
Did any of you guys actually record this
No.
on your phones?
What, the incident?
Yeah.
She saw it. We all saw it.
You all saw it, yeah. Any of you guys happy to make statements and stuff?
I'm at work, so I probably won't be able to.
Just confirm to me. So you were just driving along, and then the guy stepped out in front of you. You basically sort of you brake. Obviously, you brake. You didn't hit him though, did you?
No, I stopped my brake, but then he turned around and he started pulling up my wing mirror.
He pulled off your wing mirror and he pumped.
You right there, love?
Yes.
You need some water?
Yes, please.
I'm giving the lady here some water because it seems like she's got a bit of asthma. So, so effectively water.
Yeah,
Okay. So you got asthma from?
yeah. I've got a Chimbo pump as well,
Okay.
which is emphysema and COPD.
She was walking too much.
No,
Where are you off to today?
same thing.
Okay, we're right there at crisis.
It's just fast, but it's just under tight everyone.
Okay. So you got a little way to go. Alright, just chill out and rest up for a little while.
Yeah,
Yeah? Alright, no problem.
thank you.
Alright, bless. Yeah. Yes, people, so we're just out in Croydon, just taking a walk through the town. Yeah, man, we're there, man, a good vibes. I walk through, see if we can help the people on the way. We're just showing you Croydon, really, what Croydon's got in it and what Croydon's got to offer. But there's a lot of struggle here in the town of Croydon, people, yeah? I don't know, man, since when we link up in Chef Ricardo.
Yeah, man, but there.
But Chef Ricardo, I have to give you an update, because since the award,
Yeah.
when we did our 5,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did our 8,145, you know.
8,000.
8,145
Yeah, no, stop.
people that we fed so far.
8,000.
Yeah, homeless people, look. Homeless people, yes. With them type of food there, you know, Chef Ricardo, look.
Yeah, banana, and dashing, and cocoa, and sweet potato.
Yes,
All of them stuff.
plantain, green plantain, white plantain.
Jano Star. 8,000. Well
Yes,
done, man.
Welcome back from the Philippines, you know, Chef Ricardo.
There.
People, Ringo and Chef Ricardo, they're on the road right now.
Link
I
up
just
again.
done link Chris and Moss and Liz. Yeah, man. So we just
Moss Liz
outside.
in the building.
Yeah. So Chef Ricardo and Ringo Vision in our building right now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no thing
it's an
about
all-round 360 car with our Croydon right now. Yeah, man. See the fruits and vegetables. Yeah,
active.
them price very, very high. Yeah, so they're very dangerous for the prices over this stall here. So let's see if they give me a good price today. Let me get that sugar cane there, please. How come?
Sugar cane.
How much is the sugar cane?
No,
I don't know. I need to know the price. Huh? I need to know the price. Let them know the price, please. Look, jelly coconut a chop. Nobody wants to see what I'm going on. Everybody eye, look. Big old jackfruit on the back of park up. Yeah. I understand what I say. Yes, people. Yeah, man, this is Surrey Street Market. This is Croydon. Yeah, we're outside right now. Good vibes. Active with it. Yeah, man, I love my fruits and vegetables, them, you know, because you see, if I love my fruits and vegetables, I'm tormented. So Chef Ricardo will have to have a jelly coconut. Big man, when you say the on scooter? Huh? What one? Like having one of these riding around in Croydon, then you think it's dangerous?
Sort of, bro.
It's kind of, innit? You can't leave this anywhere on the roadside. It's missing. How much does one of these toys cost?
1,200, bro.
You hear that, people? Yeah, £1,200 for one of these toys, yeah. And what's this? What do you put here? Your phone?
Yeah, bro.
Satellite navigation. That is it. Look at that. Yeah, man. Big boy toys. Croydon, outside, active. Chef Ricardo, I wish I feed the people, let me know.
I wish I feed the homeless.
I wish I feed the nation.
I wish I feed, what, 8,000 already?
Yeah, man.
Active. People.
Rasta.
We're Ringo Vision I do right now, and a normal thing. You understand? Want to just support the thing. You understand? And make the thing grow. A good vibes. The energy is up.
That is it. You see, the people them love them jelly coconut, especially the jelly inside, because the jelly inside is good for you, not just the water, yeah, but the jelly inside as well, people, yeah. Yeah, man, auntie them, yeah, so I feed up on them jelly. Wanna eat jelly, yeah, and wanna go drink jelly coconut water now. Yeah, man. When you're here in the UK, you know, them things are kind of pricey to be living like how you be living back home. You understand? Yeah, man. How much is one of these jelly coconut, please? So it costs £3 for one of these jelly coconut. You understand, people, yeah? A good vibe, same way. That is it. Chef Ricardo, this is one of the biggest ginger I've come across. But you know what ginger's good for? Ginger's good for these times of year, especially, yeah, for your throat. Yeah, my man, I cough off a place for him. He's coughing. You understand? So he needs a bit of ginger. You understand? A good vibe. So, them ginger, yeah, I had to stop and talk about the ginger just because of the size of the ginger. Yeah, man. Ginger. Yeah, man. Ginger is good to season up all kinds of meat, whether it's fish, whether it's beef, meat, whether it's vegetables. You can stew that. Ginger is a good flavouring as well, people, yeah? And it's a good antibiotic. It's good for your throat. It's good for your immune system. You understand? A good vibes. That is it. And what I'm eating on right now, yeah, some June plum. We're right outside Prices in Croydon. Prices is based on the Surrey Street Market, and it's a community-based organisation that is there to also help people in need as well, people, yeah? All right, a good guy. How you doing, mate? Can I come in and just want to ask a few questions?
Yeah. Might have to wait until somebody speaks to you, but yeah. Come in.
Yeah.
Come in, put the door.
How you doing, sir?
I'm good.
Tell me a little bit about your business.
Yeah, this is Rose Kitchen. We do from Mauritius. We do authentic Mauritian food. We do stir-fried noodles, mutton curry.
Yeah.
Our famous dal puri.
Yes.
We call it Caribbean roti.
So how do you find business here in Croydon?
Business is Croydon a bit.
Is there good stability?
It's up and down.
Up and down.
Especially you're outside here, the weather, everything.
But with the ongoing crime rate here in Croydon, how do you manage to just survive?
It's a bit harder because lots of customers I had before. They tell me because of Croydon they don't come.
Yes.
They are afraid to come to the market.
Yes.
Because of the crime, you say, the drugs, everything. If we can improve this, the more police, maybe it's going to improve, not our business as well.
Yeah.
And it's good for Croydon as well.
That's it. And look, this gentleman here, he's here with his wife, family business, Roy's Kitchen, and he's here providing Mauritius food, Mauritius cuisine right here on Surrey Street Market. And he has found difficulties here being in Croydon because the crime rate has changed over the years. Do you understand? And as we go through Croydon, people here, you would see what we're talking about, and you see the different and the diversity between the area. Yeah, man, if you ever do come down to Croydon, check out Roy's Kitchen. Curry, noodles, fritters, dal, puri, and biryani. Biryani. That's samosas. That's it. Alright, bless up, Roy, yeah? One love. So go our next food stall, that's on name yard food, you know. Them man are well busy on the yard section and deal with the yard food. Yeah, yard food. Yeah, man, there, man, a good vibes. Busy as usual. That busy as usual, a good vibes. That is it. Chef Ricardo.
Don't know.
One of the best Jamaican food stalls on the market, you know. Well, so sometimes when you come here, so you can check out yard food, you know.
Yeah, I know. Of course, I can see queue, but the only thing that I say right now,
yeah,
you need to make me sample the food.
You need to sample the food?
Because me have to give the pass and the okay for everything to run smooth.
Alright, you hear that?
Don't know the thing
yard food.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to check out yard food.
Definitely.
That is it. Both sides.
Active.
Big man there, so I deal with some food, you know. Where you come from, big man? Nigeria. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So big man, I got some plantain, some prawns, some grilled chicken wing, Suya is finished. Jollof rice. Jollof rice.
Allah. You got a jollof rice over here?
You ain't got the baddest jollof rice in Croydon.
I don't know.
Is it spicy?
Taste it, then you know.
You know the spicy thing? You know everybody make the jollof rice different.
The food is not spicy. Like this jollof is not spicy.
Yeah.
Based on request, we
Yeah.
want this spicy. This is the chef special.
Okay. Okay. You hear that? He's got the chef special.
Yeah.
You got the
add
chef
sauce
special.
on it,
That's it.
How do you pronounce that? Babs. Oh,
Babs.
Babs. So you're Bab.
Yeah.
Yo, big up Bab. That is it. Look,
Check out the TikTok. You see
Bab's Grill on TikTok. You understand? So Bab's Grill. You know, so I'm original Jamaican, yeah? Alright. So, and we know, so we have the rice and peas, that's why we have the jollof rice, yes, sir. So, how you compare the rice and peas to the jollof?
It depends on who is cooking.
Alright. Good answer. Good answer.
Depends on who is cooking.
Yes.
Food is food to me.
Yes.
Every cultural food
Yes.
is the best.
That's it.
Food is
But
food.
it depends on who's cooking that meal. Yes. Alright.
For him.
Yes. Yes.
I eat his food every day. Rice and peas with nice chicken.
That's it. That's it.
Nice
And people,
chicken.
you need to go and check out Bob's Grill, you know, on TikTok, he said, you know, are good vibes. That is it. That is it, so our good vibes. So we've got some prawns, we've got some beef suya, and guess where I'm going right now? Outside, inside, we're gonna have some jollof rice with Bob. That is it. So you don't know, so we can't come and Croydon people, yeah? And we've got traditional Nigerian food, yeah? Nigerian jollof rice. Nigerian jollof rice, yeah? You have to come here and you have to try it. Yeah, right across us is yard food, you understand people, yeah? Yard food, and my brethren said we know, but guess where I go on? I have to big up Bob, said we, so our good vibes out there, so. I like when it's piping hot, yeah? On the side, on the side. Yeah. Yes. What's my boss?
What is that one?
This is the spice, this is the heat. This is the heat. Don't worry, Chef Cardi, I go like that one, the heat. Yeah. And what hot sauce have you got? Okay, you got it there, yeah.
I got chef special.
You're gonna use Chef Special, can you? Yeah man, so we have to eat good food when you're out and you know, so we're up on the roadside as well. Can't up on the roadside and you're not eating no good food. If you're not eating no good food, then it don't make sense now, because we have to feed people. So when you have to feed people, make sure you say you have to feed yourself as well. That is it. Well, Baba feed Ringo today, that is it. Yeah, and Chef Ricardo, that is it.
Don't know anything already. They have an active life kitchen.
Wow, look at this. This is what I'm talking about, people, yeah? Alright, so, yeah man, so we've got the prawns, we've got the soya, we've got the plantain, and we've got the jollof rice. Main ingredient today we are working with Chef Ricardo, the jollof rice.
Nice. A lot of pressure.
That is it. Stop. That is it, people, yeah. Bob's Kitchen. Don't know, some of that Surrey Street right now. Yeah, man, I took off myself. So what we're going to do now, yeah, I walk where I walk and talk and eat right now. That is it, a good vibe. So, yeah, man, we have to big up the next. Look, there's 3 kitchens out here in town, yeah. We have the Nigerian kitchen, yeah. And we have yard style and we have yard food people, yeah. A good vibe. So you have to big them up the same way. That is it. Big up Bob said way. We're there outside, a good vibe. Yard food, rice and peas with a fried fish. That is it. Yeah, man.
Active.
That's the name yard food, no, Chef Ricardo.
Well, we have to see what I want because I'm have to pass, you know.
Yeah.
If me not pass, you can't get the name, you know.
See, style them that are going out there. You have to get yourself on the name.
What's that? I forget.
See this young male? He deserves every gift that he gets. He makes soup, things for people, cooks nice, and it tastes nice. He's an OG.
Thank you.
And he's a very good chef, and I love his seasoning. It's the best, darling.
Thank you, yeah.
Take
Chef Rowan night, jollof rice, no, Chef Ricardo. Chef Rowan night, no, jollof rice. Are you doing it right? I'm alright. Are you doing it right? I've seen you in a little while.
I know. I've been working for every family.
I've been just traveling around. Yes. Alright, we go. Yeah, man, I ate, man. I jollof rice, no, Chef Ricardo. Good vibe. Use my hot sauce there for the jollof and see what I go on. Baba, go on. Good vibe. Yes, people, so I'm out right now and I'm with Chef Ricardo, yeah? We buy the food, lovely, the food nice. But guess what? I'm eating and I'm seeing a lot of people that I normally feed out here on the roadside. And yeah, man, they air, but Ringo's not got no food today. So what we're going to do, we have to share the food. We have to find one of the homeless people that I've been giving food to and share the food. That is it, not Chef Ricardo?
Definitely.
That is it. So there's a gentleman over here. He's my virgin there. And yeah, he's homeless. So we see how I go on Chef Ricardo. I have to check him out.
Yeah, let's.
Yes, boss. I done yesterday. Hello, sir. Hello.
Come out cooking today. I just bought some food here at the Nigerian restaurant.
Okay.
I was eating some jollof rice and some corn.
That's good.
One cherry.
Yeah, that's good. That's
Cherry, yeah?
Yeah, got another spoon. Yeah, why not? Is it spicy? Is it hot? Oh my god, proper prawn in there, you know.
Spicy sauce there. And that is like the prawns. Alright, we got some plant jollof rice. How does it taste like?
Is that plantation?
Yeah, plantain, yeah. You're welcome. But how's things been anyway? How you been getting on?
I think what it is really.
Yeah.
What kind of spicy sauce is that?
One chocolate.
You know what, I'm borderline diabetic.
Borderline?
Yeah.
Right. I respect that. That's good.
What spicy sauce is that?
It's like a homemade hot sauce.
Right.
Yeah?
How do you eat these?
Quick, show me and just get busy with it. Literally.
That's a nice spicy sauce that is.
Yeah, you put,
So right, how do I go about
you
this?
just break the head off.
Okay, that's the head, right. Oh wow, yeah, go on.
That's all the good stuff.
Oh, okay, so you take the shell off.
Yeah.
I'll just munch them that, you know, if you don't tell me what to do.
And that's it there. That's like bones, literally. And you just get busy.
Okay.
Yeah, literally. What's it like?
It's nice, tastes like really good quality fish sticks.
Okay. Yeah. That's it, people, yeah. It's all about rekindling the love, togetherness.
And education.
And education.
And education of how to
Eat
attack
certain...
a shrimp.
Yes.
I mean, the whole world needs education. If we don't have education,
Yes.
you know what's going on. But not too much education, like internet. It destroys the world.
It destroys
Good
the world.
education, like this.
Nice, yeah, that's
man.
it. All you have to do is literally just get busy with it. Literally take all the shelling off.
I'll get there. You live and learn.
You never had prawns before?
Not like this.
Not like this?
Not like this.
This is coming off the grill.
It's amazing. Nice, I can tell the taste of healthiness in it.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Stuff.
Thank you very much. Good stuff.
Yeah, from taste to see.
You can taste the seed. Wicked, wicked. You know what it is, yeah? Even you being outside, yeah, it's still important, yeah, for you to get the vibration and the full essence of life, which is consciousness, being a part of everyday activities, eating what you would have eaten regardless if you wasn't homeless. You know what I mean? So, and what we're trying to do is just put that back into society. So like, even me seeing you on the high street, I was like, okay, yeah, good. I've seen someone that I know, like, I'm gonna give you some food, share my food with you.
It's not that it's Christians. Are you Christian?
I wouldn't say I'm Christian, just I'm a spiritual person, a believer.
Yeah.
I believe of the universe.
I'll say that consciousness of the universe.
Yes.
My religion, I don't know if it's made up, universal consciousness.
Yes.
I believe in all religions, like tree with a seed, going up all different branches of different religions. You can say the leaves all different people praying to that religion, and you obviously got different roots of hell and stuff, you know?
Right.
But all the books, they all preach peace.
They all preach peace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't walk past the poor, and, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, you know?
Yes, everyone. So a good vibe. It's good to share energy, and as the gentleman said, as the gentleman said here, it's consciousness, and it's spreading conscious energy, universal consciousness. Yeah, man, it's a pleasure as well.
That's for everything, like even like Hare Krishna, Islam.
Yeah.
Consciousness,
isn't it?
You know? Yeah.
I see that you like to read a lot as well.
Yeah, I like reading.
No.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Right, thank you very much for today, yeah?
No, thank you. Thank you for the food. Lovely.
You're welcome.
So kindly.
Look, you're such a gentleman.
Here's an umbrella, my fellow.
Thank you very much. Thank you. That is it. Love. Togetherness. Hello, sir. Can I talk to you for a minute? What's your purpose here on the high street today?
We're just helping out Brain Research UK.
Okay, so basically my purpose on the high street here today is to spread awareness of feeding 1 million people. My mission is to feed 1 million homeless people.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Yeah. Oh, well, I'm on the job, mate, but I'll finish at 7 if you want to come back, we'll have a little chat, yeah?
No problem. This is the high street here, the high street full of, you can see anything from shopping, walking your dog, to whatever on this high street. Yeah, this is the town of Croydon. This is where a lot of people come to shop, but the town, it has a lot of business places that are now like this also. So yeah, man, Chef Ricardo, Croydon High Street, this.
Yeah, definitely. Croydon High Street, you know, so this is in the main shopping centre where people just come in, do them things, JBs. We got all different
all different sports, phone shop, everything.
Yeah.
But look, today's a Thursday, right?
Yeah, Thursday.
And this is a Thursday afternoon, and this is the environment of how it looks. You understand? So
weekend is always busy.
Weekends are always busy. But a time before this, Chef Ricardo, the high street used to have a lot more happening. Look, as you can see that there's some shops over there, look, they're not open. To let.
Yeah.
Closed down. H&M this one. Closed down. You understand? So as you can see, Chef Ricardo, may I tell you, so my place them, they're now derelict. Yeah, you understand? And this is why you can tell that as well as Croydon, there's a lot of other areas. It's on the fall, but as around it, you see a lot of high-rise buildings and things going on. But when you come on the high street, you can see that there's businesses that have been locked down, said way. Well done for keeping the neighborhood clean, guys. Yeah, we love that. Thank you very much. Because I know that not a lot of people tell you guys thank you. Yeah, but I'm saying thank you.
Much appreciated.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just walking through.
Yeah, just passing through the end today.
Blessed.
Yeah, man, you're good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, dude.
What's the Babylon in there?
I don't know. I just see them just now.
Yeah, I'm just passing through still.
Yeah.
Yeah?
We on live.
No, I'm just recording.
Yeah.
Just plugging the ends.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
See you in a bit. Where you walking straight down?
Straight down. Yeah, well, go on.
You had breakfast?
That's it.
You had breakfast?
Yeah. I'll have more breakfast. You said we'll do breakfast again.
Down
there. Yeah, when you reach back, call me.
By the barber shop.
Yeah, I'll be down there. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't understand what you want. I don't know. No. Oh. I don't know.
So yeah, just vibes there. Croydon on the high street. Good vibes. Oi, calm down.
Hey Mario, calm down. Stop laughing.
Calm down.
Hey Dave.
No,
Dave.
calm down. No. Only water you're allowed to drink in the daytime until after 9 o'clock. Until after 9 p.m.
Yeah, we drink all the time. No problem.
No, but we have to take time now.
Yes.
Slow down, look a bit.
I'm Paul. I'm 14 months and 18 days sober. Been on the street on and off for many years. Things are tougher now than they ever were before. I come out to see my friends that are still drinkers or still drug takers and whatnot, to give them a bit of support.
If I could ask you, what was your toughest challenge in like overcoming the hurdle of just getting past the first stage? Like, because obviously you're here now 14 months, but there must have been like some really tough challenges in the first period.
In the first period, yeah, it was dreadful. I literally locked myself in my house. I lived in a shared house, locked myself in my room, would come out once a week to go to the corner shop to get my shopping and then shut myself away again. It was torment, a lot of torment you have to deal with. Physical, mental, sleep patterns, everything's up the creek. But eventually it becomes easier. And I'm the first person to say I never thought I'd be able to crack it. I was on the street for many years, drinking for many years. But something just clicked in me and Now I can be around drinkers. I can even buy them drinks and not think at all about, I'll have a sneaky one myself.
Yeah.
Something's just clicked in me and I said, no, enough's enough.
Yeah.
I've got a 33-year-old son that's doing well and he wants me to be there for my coming up grandchildren.
Oh, come on, of course.
Yeah, but hey, I've got to take this call, man.
Yeah, but thanks for your time, man.
No problem at all.
One love, yeah.
One love.
Paul.
Respect, man.
Yeah, and well done to you as well, yeah.
And well done to what you're doing.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're showing love, man.
That's
the
it.
world needs one love.
One love.
No shit.
That's it. One love. Hey, you guys, keep the peace and keep. Look. You need to chill out with Paul a bit more. He's done 14 months. Yeah, so I'm counting on you guys to see if you can do 1 month at least, because we're all in it together. Look, Paul's done 14 months. Let's try and clean it up. Yeah? No, seriously, let's try and clean it up.
Nah, you're right.
Yeah, let's try and clean it up. Look, Paul's done it, so that if Paul's done it, everyone can do it. Or we can try it together, innit? Yeah? That is it. We try it together. One love.
Right.
That is it. One love. That is it.
You okay, bro?
Yeah, respect.
All right. So
I've been asking for help. Yeah, I want help. I can't do it now, and I tried.
So you hear that, everyone? So look, we have to come together and try and help those that actually want help, and these lot here do want help. So if you're watching this video and whatnot, yeah, when you do come into Croydon,
watch this video.
When you come,
my problem is I'm communist.
Yeah.
So I don't believe in God.
Yes.
about God.
No, we're not talking about God.
God.
Ah.
It's not about God.
No, I know about
Just
God.
talking about
Oh, okay, okay.
It's about life.
how we can try
I'm
and help
I'm
each
sorry.
other.
We can
I'm
change
sorry.
our lives.
I'm sorry. I'm for
Try
I'm
and
for
help each other.
I'm fucking sorry. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm
Don't-
from Russia.
We got people that we know.
We believe in
have
Lenin,
themselves and they've done it.
Engels, and Marx.
Why can't we all
You understand?
But don't worry, yeah. Look, we're gonna connect. All right. So look, we're on the high street, but like I said, expect anything on the high street like Croydon. A lot of people say that this place is a no-go area, but at the same time, when you look around it, you see buildings like these being put up that has no one living in it yet, but it's ready in a few months to be taking new residents. That's it. Chef Ricardo, welcome to the real Croydon, man.
And them people I want to put on them right now.
Yeah.
I don't want to put them too far, no?
No, true. True. Them building there. Yeah.
John the Star.
You see, Chef Ricardo, you see which part of the reach right, that's up on the tower, right, that's over there?
Yeah.
That's a name Outside Bando.
Outside Bando.
Outside Bando over there, you know.
Definitely.
So you see when we reach on the strip, yeah, so this is a strip where you can expect anything.
Yeah.
Anything if you happen because yeah, this is a dirty garbage heap around here, so.
Alright, so.
Yeah. So more time we dirty garbage heap around here, so I forget clean up. Yeah, because all the people sitting now going around here, so people.
You don't know where I can sell a brand new vase there.
Say that again?
£50 worth.
What's that? Oh,
Brand new
vase.
vase out of Next.
Okay, how did you get that? How much you want?
Contactless card, innit?
How much you want? How much you want for that?
What, to you?
Yeah, to me.
Tenner.
I thought you were gonna give it to me as a gift.
Sir, contactless card.
No, I told you, yeah, we're in the garbage heap, and you can expect anything. This is West Croydon, people, yeah, and welcome to the real art of West Croydon, yeah. I'm gonna show you things that you've never seen before, and I'm not gonna move from the strip now today, people. Yeah, we're on the strip. You have to be on the strip to know what the strip's about. Same time, the activities of a school is here on this strip as well. So you look, so what we got over there, young kids them have to pass through an environment like this daily now, Chef Ricardo. Yes, but they still have to face the tragedy along this roadside here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yes, me G, where I go on? Outside.
Outside, not
Yeah.
today.
I've got that in my yard. I've got that in my yard. I'm not you can go. Could be big. I've got one in doors.
What's that you got?
No, it's one of the exercise things, man. From pieces.
You're a musician?
No, the exercise thing, man.
Oh, the exercise thing? Okay. What do you think of Croydon?
No, from Croydon.
Yeah, what do you think of Croydon?
Croydon's right, man.
Huh?
Croydon's good, man. No, it's
Alright, that's it. A good vibes. You still got the vase? You still got the vase?
I just went to Brixton Food Shop to try to sell it.
No one know, it?
Not at the moment. That's the first place I tried, though.
Okay.
I sell this 100%, bruv.
Alright, say nothing.
Come on, fam. It's me you're chatting to. You get me?
West Croydon people. Look, this is love here. The two gentlemen there sharing food together. This is love.
No picture.
No pictures. It's just the food. Just the food. It's love. It's love. Thank you, yeah. Thank you. You can't splash out all our money like that in a moment. Zip up your pocket, please. Me now left. You zip up everything.
Thank you.
No, zip up your good, please. No, zip up your man. Yeah, put that one in the next pocket as well.
No, man. I need to buy a phone. Someone teach me how to buy a phone.
Alright, have a good day, yeah? Alright, a good vibes, West Croydon. Kirk, I'm going out tonight, right place? A good vibe. Yeah, that's it.
Where you going?
Okay. Dave, you alright? Yeah. Send some, I'm going. Dave, you alright?
Ugly, but she took my blood clot.
So we don't know what's happening here. Like I said, we're just here on this trip, West Croydon, and automatically, look, one side of the high street is quiet. The next side of the high street, let's see what's happening down there. DPD, come out our way.
I'm gonna put this fish in the yard, yeah? I'll buy some stuff. I'm gonna put it in
Yeah.
the fridge and come up with the oil.
Yeah, man, this is West Croydon. You understand?
Could you do that if it was a man? I promise you would have done that if it was down to Belize. I don't care. If it was my car, you wouldn't have done that. I don't care. Why you wasn't no, I take my car to myself.
At the moment, I don't know what's happening out here, but there's police, and I'm a bit baffled, but I soon get the lowdown of what's actually happened. Like, but it don't make sense. The buses are in the roads. There's a car here in the road. The police searching the car here in the road. Like I said, this is Croydon. We're in Croydon. Anything can happen here in Croydon, West Croydon, people. Yeah. Today we're outside. This is West Croydon. A man has just come out here and he's just tried to. Sorry.
Did any of you guys actually record this
No.
on your phones?
What, the incident?
Yeah.
She saw it. We all saw it.
You all saw it, yeah. Any of you guys happy to make statements and stuff?
I'm at work, so I probably won't be able to.
Just confirm to me. So you were just driving along, and then the guy stepped out in front of you. You basically sort of you braked. Obviously, you braked. You didn't hit him, though, did you?
No, I stopped my brake, but then he turned around and he started pulling at my wing mirror.
He pulled off your wing mirror,
Yeah,
and he
he
pumped.
pulled
The police is gonna move the lady's car. What's happened? The lady just got randomly attacked on the street here, London Road, West Croydon. This random man just come out and just started to attack this lady here for no apparent reason. You understand? She could be anybody's mother, grandmother, sister, auntie, daughter. You understand? She's a big woman as well. You understand? She could be my mother as well. You understand? So this is what I mean, people. Yeah, we're outside, and anything can happen on these roadside. We don't know if it's a mental issue with the gentleman or what it is or what's occurred. You understand? But something's happened today in West Croydon, people. Yeah.
Not a problem.
So this gentleman came to help the lady.
Yeah, of course you can. Yeah, of course you can. Yeah, if anything happens, just give me a call because I saw it all. I was literally right here, right next to my Range Rover. Okay. So I saw it all. Plus, I've got CCTV, and all of these shops are all. I know all of them. So you need any CCTV from any of them, I can get it for you. Okay. So. Yeah. Let me run my number down.
Go doctor.
Yeah.
Get a checkup. Why the ambulance service about the club? No one. I said you alright.
Here you go, my dear. Okay. That's my phone number. West. Just save it as West. Yeah.
So West, you can tell me just briefly what.
Bro, literally, my man just ripped out auntie's rear mirror, and I couldn't take it, so I had to just,
Yeah. And if you never come out, it would have got worse, bro.
No.
It would have got worse.
Bro, it's not even that. It's just, bro, she's a lady at the end of the day, man. You can't do that. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I see her as my own mum.
Come on.
Do you know what I mean? If anyone did that to my mum, bro,
yes.
I wouldn't even let this entourage go on. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. madness here in West Croydon, people, yeah.
You're right. Gillian, is it? Do you want to come?
So this is the lady that was attacked, and the police officer's just going about to talk to her now.
Is that okay, Gillian?
Let's go.
Are you a bit, can I tell you obviously a bit shaken up, aren't you? Yeah, it's got a few sort of must have been quiet sort of like quiet. Yeah? You come with me now, yeah? You need to just do one up.
Officer, do you know what happened today?
Road rage is all I can say. Where there's been damage to a vehicle.
Okay. What's happened today? No. She don't want to talk. Big man, what happened today, boss?
This fella just punched a black lady's, old lady's side mate.
For no reason?
No reason, I don't know.
Mental health?
I don't know, probably. And then my brother just stopped him.
Okay.
That's it.
Wow. Some things happen where it's mad, it's manic. We're out on the roadside. This gentleman here is under cuffs. It's mad. West Croydon people, yeah. That is it. Look at that swag there, purple swag. Big man. And the swag. That is it. Officer, what happened today?
I don't know, but I just got here. I don't know.
We heard that something with somebody trying to take somebody out their vehicle.
Oh, no idea. I literally just got here. Sorry, mate.
Is Croydon a dangerous place?
No, it's absolutely fine. Very safe.
Yeah.
Great community.
Yeah.
Very safe.
I love that because guess what? We're meant to spread positive message.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, so
I personally like it, but some don't.
Some do.
Some do. Not anywhere, isn't it?
We're trying to make it the best community it can be.
Of course.
That's
always.
it. Yeah. Thank you very much.
No worries. Take care.
At the same time, we're in a community that's supplying fresh fruits and vegetables. This is such a multicultural place. African, Caribbean food, right? Yeah, so West Croydon people, yeah. So as much as so much is happening out here on the outside, you understand, it is a multicultural community, you understand? You can come here, get your food, get your meat, you understand? It's a good place to be at the same time, but it's very diverse in what happens in and out of West Croydon and on the roadsides of West Croydon, you understand? A good vibes. Big up yourself, people. Ringo Vision, we're outside. That is it. What's going on in West Croydon?
This man can mash up the woman's windscreen mirror, her side mirror. That's what's going on. So police come to arrest him.
Alright then. Alright, yeah. That's it, they're off. What's your purpose for coming to Croydon today? Huh? Wait, we're doing a quick interview. It's a 2-minute interview. Alright, talk like that then. Go on. What's your purpose for coming to Croydon?
I live in Croydon.
Okay. Are you hustling in the streets of Croydon?
No.
Alright, cool. Go on.
So it was just like moments ago, about half an hour. And as you can see, it's back to normal as if nothing ever happened. You understand, people? So a lot of things that happen on this strip here, it's like 1 minute there's a crazy madness, and then before you know it, it's all changed. It's all different people. So come in. Quick and fast, not shut the car. You know more of it. Use no honey.
Now, only forgot me out and drink, but only good food. Only lemon, ginger. This one, this I know best honey, you know, but this is the honey that them have a supply, but I know the best one, but. No, the lady I said she a go tell me one whole people sitting.
I am not gonna tell you anything.
You know all
No, tell me.
No record me tell you nothing.
Chef Ricardo.
Yeah.
I don't go on social
This is she not give me secret again.
Why? She changed her mind?
Yeah.
You know about give me secret?
I don't go on social media.
Alright, Chef Ricardo, the secret now but I get out.
Yeah.
Alright, people, the one I'm missing them because the lady said she not give me it.
You don't go on social media, so. That's what you do. You go on social media. What is it?
Type in Ringo picture.
Yeah, there you look okay.